You go, 10,000.
For the best year, Zone 2.
Ayan, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
There is virtue in being loud, but there is also greater virtue in being prepared. Marami yung mga kabos, sa kuya pong pagtaon ng galang, sa kuya pong SDS, Sir Despi, Iwo, pag-page, Doctor, siyempre, ang sa kuya amigo, the City Mayor of Legazpi, Mayor Attorney Derby, and siyempre, ang sa kuya pong ABC President, si Ismael, and our two councilors, JP Lee, and of course, Attorney Lucila, as in sa kapus po ng mga teachers. Ako po, aking lingguwang teacher. Ang nanay ko, buong-buhay teacher. Yung papa ko po, buong-buhay teacher din. Kaya kung sino ako, dahil po yan sa teacher ako. Pipilangan ko lang ako po kan mga pagsasabi that health is wealth. The healthy mind in healthy body. That there is time for cooperation and there is time for competition. But it's always time for sportsmanship. In 18 years, this is my first time to be invited to the city meeting. Kaya thank you very much po sa bagong SDS for giving me a chance na mapadaog sa inyo, matakpan na ma-inspirar ako sa dynamism kan mga taga-Legazpi. Aram po ninyo, I always believe in the intrinsic greatness of Legazpi. Pagkaagi po kan dukang tao na tensyonado nila, sports is really a great way of transcending our situation. Alam po ninyo, alam yung minaping istorya ni Congressman Garbin na makasupog man ang Legazpi lamang wala pong sadiring sports facilities. So definitely, binayaan ang airport. Posible po na dumamit ang magkaroon ng sadiring stadium, sadiring oval, kasi sadiring po na kompletong that is a 76 hectares na may it's worth 12 billion, and I'm sure that the city mayor will fight so that Legazpi will be proud to have its own sports facilities. Para po ang intrinsic greatness ng Legazpi, matawan po ni venue, matawan po ni oportunidad. Kaya sa inyo po kabos, ngunya pa sana, harap po, kang goal, kang probinsya, kang albay, everything is about preparedness. In education, everything is about training. So, congratulations po sa inyo kabos, as in, just mamalos po sa taon na ini. Congratulations po, as in, mamalos sa inyo kabos.
Thank you very much.